Shame on me, guys, right? There's a lot of times that I'm on sales calls, and I always preach this, right? To make sure that before you let them get off the phone, you have to get some type of payment, some type of obligation up front, right? I was on a sales call the other day. I was driving. I fucking decided to take the sales call because I was just very excited. I have ADHD, so I just get very excited over little shit. And I was like, hey man, does this make sense to you? Can we move forward? Yeah, man, I need this, this, and this from you. And since I wasn't near a laptop, since I was driving in the car, I wasn't able to close that person because once I got off the phone, they basically were in the, I just missed that one. I didn't have to pay on the phone. And trying to follow up with this person has just been like a complete horror. And when you don't give that person that obligation on the phone, people's word, you can't trust people's words anymore. And it's you need to structure yourself in a way that and I'm making this video because shame on me. I wasn't able to watch this back and realize that I was being a fucking idiot and that I decided to take a sales call when I knew I couldn't even take payment. I was just trying to get stuff done. I was trying to be more productive, trying to get shit done. So just realize that when people say to you, hey man, I'll pay it, or yeah, I'll get that info over to you, they're not going to fucking get over to you. Maybe 1 in 5 people will do it. Most people won't, just because once they're not obligated to pay, they're not as serious, they're not in the right mindset, and they quite frankly don't give a fuck. So start taking your sales calls when you're prepared, when you're ready to take payment, when you're ready to take that action to get that person onboarded, because if they're not being pressured into shit, then it's just it's just a vocal conversation that can be obviously dodged by, having no payment. So make sure that obligation is made up front. And yeah, people who are not willing to keep their own word, how are they going to keep their word though when you're trying to do business with them? If people can't just pay a simple invoice, get over some simple billing address information, how are they going to help you, in your relationship? How are you going to be able to trust these people? Odds are you probably fucking can't, and they're in business for themselves. They want all the money for themselves. They don't want to fucking make any impact. They were mostly selfish. So keep that in mind, guys.